So what are we doing?
So I say, hey guys, it's Trinity here, and you say, Trin, let me do it. I never had a chance, and I could say, okay, Dad.
Sounds like a plan.
Hey guys, it's Trinity here.
Hey, Trin, let me do it.
Okay.
Oh, that's nice of you.
Because you never ever had a chance.
Yeah, I never get a chance. What's up, guys? It's Trinity's dad here with Trinity. If you're new to the channel, please hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications.
Let me tell them something.
And give us a
Guys,
huge thumbs up.
I'm going to get a JoJo box, and I'm super excited, so I'm marrying her bow. She sent me this bow.
What?
From a famous box. What?
Alright, what are we doing today, Trin?
Today we're making some slime, but I can't tell you what we're going to put in it.
Yeah, we can.
So, we're putting giant foam balls.
We're gonna make giant, fluffy Floam with these.
My dad is cutting it off. Just in case I need to get hydrated again, I got some water.
Good thinking.
A spoon to stir. And shaving cream.
And some glue.
Shaving cream. And shaving cream.
And some colors. And some laundry detergent. So I don't make slime, so Trin's gonna tell me how to do it. What do we do?
So, we do glue first.
Glue first.
Because we want to make lots of slime. You should know what goes in next.
Well, I think next is the shaving cream. I gotta shake it.
Oh, mine, I didn't even know the shape. Hello, Madison.
This one doesn't work. Next.
Be quiet, we're doing a video.
Why don't mine work?
So bad. I think that's enough.
Alright.
So next we stir, both of us, because it's gonna get boring if both of us don't do it.
Alright.
Almost all of it.
Alright, is that good? Alright.
Stir, 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 stir. Just
You
keep
need more on your side?
doing, just keep doing it.
Okay, what's next?
Laundry detergent.
How much should I put?
Almost all of it.
Almost all of it?
Just a little. When I say stop, that means
Should
stop.
I put a little bit over here? Whoa. Little bit. Right there?
Stop. Yep, that's almost like a whale, like sitting down. It's gonna make it look blue, but don't worry, it's gonna stay green forever.
How many of you have seen a whale sitting down? It's not slimy enough.
Well, it looks cool, doesn't it? Ooh.
Alright, mix that in.
Almost looks like an arm, like.
Oh, it's getting slimy.
Oh, what?
It's getting slimy.
Where?
Everywhere. All the slime.
Oh my gosh!
Yeah, it's getting slimy.
Holy cow! This is gonna be wonderful.
Is it slimy enough yet?
Yeah. Heck yeah. Okay. Oh my gosh, it's glue still.
Ew.
That was not a good idea. It's getting pretty cool and slimy.
Ugh.
Oh my gosh, you have lots of slime over there. I want some of that.
Babe, will you come see what's going on with this stuff?
It's really stringy. This is not gonna end well.
It's not gonna end well.
No, because of the shaving cream.
You guys,
It turned out stringy.
this is a giant slime fail.
We're
Save me, Karina Garcia! If you need to make like zombie guts, this is how you make zombie guts.
Yeah.
Look at that. It's like
That's awesome though, because it's
my guts
zombie
came out.
It's like someone's guts. It could be like zombie skin. Right, zombie skin.
This is why dads don't make slime.
Yeah.
This is,
I think I told you the wrong thing to put in next.
I don't know.
I don't know. It's both our fails.
Well, we're gonna call up some slime experts, like Mom or Karina Garcia, and we're gonna do this video again. So check back. We will make this slime right.
Guys, make sure you give this video a huge thumbs up if you liked it.
If this is the worst slime fail ever, give me a thumbs up. Ho ho ho!
I'll see you guys later. Bye.
Bye.